Hello everyone. Here we're going to have a very short video on how to add decimal numbers using the column addition method. So it's very similar to adding whole numbers in the fact that I'm going to line them on top of each other. What's particular I need to do, of course, is this decimal point needs to line up. So I'm going to have 2.3 and below it 7.5. Decimal points have to be picture perfect there. Put an add sign and I get my line underneath. Now, other than that, it works exactly the same. 3 plus 5 is 8. 2 plus 7 is 9. Let's not forget, of course, the decimal place. So my answer for this one is 9.8. Let's try another question. So for the next question, I've got 13.1 plus 4.52. So again, I'm going to just write it down. And it's important that I line up my decimal point. Very important. Now, I've got a problem here in the fact that I've got nothing above the 2. Well, technically speaking, there's nothing behind the 1. It's a 0. But I am going to write that 0 there just so I can see it so that I don't ignore the problem. 0 plus 2 is 2. 1 plus 5 is 6. 3 plus 4 7. 1, well, there's nothing underneath, so it's 1 on its own, it's just 1. My decimal point must of course come down. So my answer here is 17.62. Now, my next question has another element to it. So just like on the previous questions, I am going to write it out. 0.073, and then I'm going to write the other one, 1.85. I am going to put a 0 behind that 5 just to make sure that my numbers line up nicely. So 3 plus 0 is going to be 3. 7 plus 5 is 12. Now, normally I can't write 12 down, and I can't write 12 down here either. So I'm going to write 2, and I'm going to carry the 1. Now, 0 plus 8 is 8. With that 1 added on is going to be 9. 0 plus 1 is just 1. And of course, missed a decimal point. So my answer here is 1.923. Now, my last question I'm going to show you today is 4.91 plus 0.598. So I'm going to set myself up. 4.91 and underneath it 0.598. Again, I'm going to put the 0 in here just to plug in that space. I don't want to see that. So I'm going to pop a line underneath, and then we're going to add it together. 0 plus 8 is just going to be 8. 1 plus 9 is going to be 10, so 0 with a 1. 9 plus 5 is 14. With that extra 1 is going to make that a 15, so I'm going to carry the 5. I'll put a 5 down, sorry, and carry the 1. Cross out my previous carry. Let's not leave them there to get confused if I've got more than 1. Now I've got 4 plus 0, which is 4. Add the carry is 5. So my answer for this one is 5.508. And that concludes our quick tutorial. Thank you.